need to completely control how your AI tools format their output, both the human-readable content and the structured data. You'll see how to wrap an existing tool with a custom output function that transforms raw results into precisely structured responses, giving you full control over what the AI and downstream systems receive. The pattern uses ToolResult to explicitly define content blocks and structured outputs, ensuring consistency regardless of the parent tool's original behavior.
Async def custom output **quargs ToolResult. Result equals await forward **quargs. Return tool result content equals structured content equals tool from tool parent tool transform fn equals custom output.
This demonstrates the tool transformation pattern, a declarative approach for adapting existing tools without modifying their core implementation. The concept revolves around creating specialized versions of tools by wrapping them with metadata transformations, argument modifications, or behavioral extensions. What makes this pattern distinctive is its ability to separate interface concerns from implementation, allowing you to tailor tools for specific contexts while reusing the underlying logic. The pattern works by intercepting tool calls through a transformation layer that can modify inputs, outputs, or execution flow. When a transformed tool is invoked, the framework first applies any argument mappings or validations, then delegates to the original tool or custom logic, and finally processes the result before returning it to the caller. This creates a pipeline where each transformation step handles a single concern, like renaming parameters for clarity, hiding internal arguments, or reformatting outputs, while the original tool remains unchanged and reusable. This approach solves the problem of tool proliferation and interface mismatch in modular systems. Instead of creating duplicate tools with slight variations, you maintain one canonical implementation and derive specialized versions as needed. It's particularly valuable when integrating with AI systems, where tool interfaces must be optimized for natural language understanding, or when adapting third-party tools to your domain-specific requirements. The trade-off is a slight runtime overhead from the transformation layer, but the benefits in maintainability and consistency typically outweigh this cost. Let's break it down line by line.
Async def custom output **quargs ToolResult.
This defines an async wrapper function for tool output transformation. The quargs signature ensures compatibility with FastMCP's tool execution protocol, while the ToolResult return type enforces structured output for AI consumption. This is the standard pattern for customizing tool behavior without modifying the original implementation.
Result equals await forward **quargs.
This delegates execution to the original tool via the forward function, preserving all input arguments. The await handles the async operation, ensuring the parent tool's logic completes before transformation.
Return tool result content equals structured content equals.
This returns a ToolResult object, the standardized output format for FastMCP tools. The content array handles unstructured output for AI consumption, while structured content provides machine-readable data for programmatic use. This dual format pattern ensures compatibility with both AI models and downstream systems.
Tool from tool parent tool transform fn equals custom output.
This creates a new tool by wrapping parent tool while injecting custom output as a transformation function. The pattern enables intercepting and modifying tool responses without altering the original implementation, maintaining clean separation of concerns. Tool transformation mastery. The tool from tool pattern lets you reshape existing tools without rewriting their core logic, using transform FN for custom behavior while preserving parent tool capabilities through forward. The forward function automatically handles argument mapping based on your arg-transform configurations, but forward draw bypasses all transformations entirely. Returning a tool result from your transform function gives you complete control over both content blocks and structured outputs.
The tool that forgets its original name answers to every name.